Hello friends, today I'll share 3 mysteries happening in my garden. The first one, as you can see, is my cosmos plant, and many of the cosmos flowers are broken. So the first mystery is, who is breaking these flowers? I found many of the flowers broken every day. Every day somebody was coming and breaking the flowers of my beautiful cosmos plant. And do you know who the culprit was? Well, I solved this mystery myself, and I saw this huge bumblebee coming every day and drinking the nectar from the flowers. And since it was such a huge bumblebee, by the weight of its body, the flowers used to bend down, and many of the flowers broke because it was moving from one flower to the other, and it was pulling the flower down so much that the stalks would break. So this mystery was solved by me, and I recorded this bee breaking my flowers, and the bee got angry and it started coming towards me. Then I had to run back in the house. So my beautiful cosmos getting broken by this bumblebee, but I guess it's okay. The bees also need nectar, and they are really good for the garden. Just look at it pulling down the flowers so much. It's a very naughty bee, but that's okay. So the next mystery is about this petunia plant which I had grown from seed. This petunia plant had 2 different colors of flowers when it first started blooming, which was a little strange because it was one single plant, but it was giving 2 varieties of flowers. And this was not a perfumed petunia because my last year's petunia did not have any fragrance. So this is what I found, and it was a little strange, but it happens. So I didn't think too much about it, but slowly, as more flowers started blooming, I saw that the flowers were basically white. Some of them had 1 or 2 spots of pink, and then the flowers started giving even more shades of pink. Some had lines of pink, some were extremely white, fully white, some had few dots, some were shaded like someone had used a crayon or an oil pastel to give some shading on the petals. So this was really strange, seeing one plant give so many different types of flowers. But this is not all. Slowly I saw that the pink color was getting less and less, and the flowers which were blooming were becoming whiter. And there was a time when the whole plant was filled with just white flowers. There were not even 1 spot of pink on any of the petals. So that was a time when this whole plant looked like having just white flowers, and it was really pretty to look. And as I told you, this plant was not a perfumed plant. So you can see how the flowers were starting to turn fully white, and the pink flowers slowly became less and less. So this is the story of this petunia, which was acting like a chameleon and changing its color every day, every week. And it was a non-perfumed petunia. But one day I had kept it along with my perfumed petunias for a few hours only, and then I had kept it separately. But what I found was extremely strange, and I really don't know how it happened. But after a few days I smelled these plants, and it had also started giving that same kind of perfume which my other petunias had. And the white petunias had slowly started changing its color, and almost every flower had a bit of pink color. But the color changing I had seen before, but this perfume, from where it got the perfume I do not know. But this petunia, which I had kept separately from those petunias, this was also emitting out the same kind of fragrance which my other pink petunias had, which were the perfumed variety. And this was really a very strange thing for me, because I had seen flowers change their color, but never before I had seen a flower gain perfume. I don't know how. So if any of you have experienced anything similar, your petunia getting perfume automatically, then do post a comment down below so that I'll also know that you have also gone through this thing. So anyway, these petunias look really pretty and now they are perfumed, so that's a good thing. I love perfumed flowers and this is how it's looking at the moment. It is fully filled with flowers with various shades of pink. And now coming to the third mystery, this white dianthus and another maroon dianthus. These two I had grown last year, and from the seeds of these plants I grew some more dianthus, and this is the color which came out. It might happen that since both the plants had different colors, I might get a mixture of these colors due to cross pollination or something. But the strange thing was that from one plant and one branch I got two flowers of totally different colors. One was pinkish in color and the other one was maroon and white in color. And this is the one plant and one stalk having two buds but totally different colored flowers. So this was a really strange thing that I found in my garden. So I thought I might share it with you. And you can see that is the one stalk having two little flowers from one plant, and both are so different from each other. Very strange thing. So this is all about the mysteries of my garden at the moment. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and thanks for watching.